Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tickets in Zendesk. Merging tickets helps streamline your workflow by consolidating similar inquiries, keeping your support system organized and efficient. First, head over to Zendesk and click the Sign In button at the top right. Enter your email and password and sign in to access your dashboard. Next, locate the View icon to see all your tickets. Choosing the right ones is important to avoid mixing unrelated inquiries. Click the Merge option, then enter the ticket ID of the ticket you want to consolidate into. Make sure the ID is correct to prevent errors. Once done, click Merge to combine the tickets. All communications from the second ticket will now appear in the first. And that's it. Merging tickets in Zendesk keeps your workspace organized, helps your team respond faster, and improves the customer experience. Thanks for watching, and happy ticket merging.